Hello, hello, good morning, everyone. So, I know there's a delay, so it gets a bit confusing that if I'm live or not, but I hope I am. So today I'm going to start a new series where I solve lead code like live and like I have nothing prepared before for this, so this is based upon my skills on DSA and which I have um, and so my main goal is that slowly and gradually I'll shift everything that I do to upskill myself on a live format, and this is a second series that I'm starting. So like slowly and gradually as I learn to stream, and though it's not very difficult, then I'll get all the things that I do to upskill myself, basically, not on my work related stuff. And yeah, so it's actually very like one arrow, two targets thing for me. Because I could like I already do all these stuff, and then I also stream, so probably something or not. Let's see. Cool. So let's go on lead call. Uh, so I have nothing prepared for this, so it can go either ways. But that's the whole point. I like for me streaming. It's that I don't prepare. I just be what it is, and uh, one thing I would like to do is go on the contest page. Uh, I'm opening lead code after a bit long time. Um, Usually there's uh, get lucky something that gives you 10 coins. So I guess not today. So let's just go and oh, it's an easy problem, and I was hoping, kind of hoping that it's an easy problem that I don't have to look up to the solutions, and because easy to medium I can easily solve. Like sometimes hard, uh, like a lot of time hard. It's very difficult for me. Um, so you are given a string S consisting of a lowercase English letter. Duplicate removal consists. Okay, so the name is remove all adjacent duplicates in a string. A duplicate removal consists of choosing two adjacent and equal characters and removing them. We repeatedly make duplicate removal on S until we no longer can return the final string of the. So it's actually a very easy question. It's like uh, it's a stack question. So uh, I I think it's like parenthesis, but like it's actually not like parenthesis. It's a stack question, but I can't. I know there's a similar question, but I am not able to figure out name of that question. Okay, so basically, I think the basic idea is that I'll put A into the stack, I'll put B into the stack, and I get B again, so I'll pop out B. I'll put A as I have A on now. Let's go to. So after I get A, okay. New in Excel draw. Let's make a folder. Okay. I hope there should be a new file. Yeah. How do I exit this? Uh, I could also name it, I guess. Okay. 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 Gotcha. Cool. Cool. Yeah. Not that problem. Okay. Cool. So let's say we have a stack. Uh, okay. So first thing that we'll do when A comes, we'll put on A. Then as B enters, we'll put on B. So let me just do this. And cool. So Control C. Cool. So now after we get B, we'll put in B here. After we get another B, we'll remove this B. So we'll check in the top and remove that B. Uh, Now we get another A. So we'll remove this A. And now we get C. So we'll add in the C. So C. And now we get A. So we'll add in the A. So yeah, CA should be the answer. Um, I guess this makes a lot of sense. One thing that I see is it's a string that we have uh, to do, and so I've done this with like an array of numbers or something. I know I've done this type of question. I've not submitted this exact one, but so I remember well from that we can do it something like this where we itself like use the stack made by the string. So we declare a string. Let's say answer. I usually type in answer as my and we travel for I is equals to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus and n is equals to s dot size. Okay, cool. So now if answer dot size, so we check in this if answer is something, and sorry, I'm sorry. Uh, and answer dot back is equals to uh, s of I, then uh, and if it's not, then what we'll do is answer plus is equals to s of I. Okay, and if it is, we have to remove the last element of the string. So one thing, let me check if string has a pop back, because I think strings are vectorized, so it should have string. Yeah, so I have already seen this, I guess. Yeah, so string does have a pop back. um so answer dot p back. uh this should make, so what I'm doing is like I'm creating a string answer, and I'm taking in the size of this input string, and then I'm looping into the input string if there's no like answer has a size of 0, then um, we go into the else block, or if answer dot back not is equals to s of I, then also we go to the this um, like else block. But if the answer dot back is equals to s of I, and answer has some size, so answer size is not 0, then if these both cases match, then we remove the back element. Like in the case of after we have pushed AB, then we get a B again. Now answer size is 2, and the last element is B, and B is equals to B. So we pop the last element. So then after this statement, this round, the answer will become A. So, and like the given string, after we get A, answer will become A. After we get B, answer will become AB. And after we get the another B, it will go into this if case, and answer will become A again. And then answer after we get A, so now currently the answer is A. So it will become like nothing, basically empty string, and then we get a C, so answer will become C, and then we get an A, so answer will become A. And I guess that should work. Usually I get a bit cocky in these type of questions, and I directly like press submit. I don't. Yeah. Okay, cool. We could probably optimize this. Like, we can make it faster. Uh, how would I make it faster though? Um, I think pop back might take some time, so no. It's just I'm just checking if we could make it faster because do this. And so after A comes, I'm making the answer size as one, and no, I should not do this. I should do this. Answer size is now zero, and after adding A, answer size will become one. Then B comes, then answer size will become two after this, A, B, and two, and then B comes again. So answer size will become one again, and it should work. Hmm. I usually don't care about a lot of times like getting 100%, but currently I don't know, just something that I felt like doing, like getting a very high time complexity score fast time. So 0, 1 is 0. After the first round, it becomes 1. After the second round, it becomes 2. Then it should again become 1. Minus 1, I guess. So after AB, it will be 2. And this was to S of I, yeah. And the answer size is there. So let's get in the answer for. Okay, let me just test out a thing. String S. Okay. S of 0 is equals to A. Let's say Cout. I want to check if this is causing an error. Yeah, I guess this does not work. Uh, like adding a size, or like adding. I guess this could work. Like if there's already something, then we can change it. But I don't think it like if there's no s of 0, then adding in the, like, if there is no k of 0, then adding in k of 0 does not change the string, I guess. And I guess, hmm, that does not make a lot of sense then for us to be doing this. And the old answer, it did work perfectly, though I wanted to get like 100% score, like a 90 plus percent score uh, for the first stream. Uh, let's go into the discussions cook tab. I actually got a 99% score. Why didn't I get it the first time? Let's do a, like, yeah, let's do a submit a few more times to see if it's actually like up around that score. It's actually, it seems to be at that par only. So mix. Let's see, 100%. Yeah, so they are using stack and Python, and they are converting it to a string. I'm already using a string. Um, and then he's also using stack in Java, and hmm. So as you can see, uh, learning to code in any language, like data structures and algorithms especially, like actually makes much more sense if you look at the code of different languages, because a lot of people get stuck in, like, if they know Python, they look at DSA in Python. If they know C++, then they look DSA in C++. But all you need is logic, and the rest comes with that. So I guess they have used the erase but function, but they have done the same thing as me. And the last 100, they are also using a stack and and they are converting it to a string, which I think is the okay solution. But converting the whole stack into the string will be a problem, where like it will take often, obviously. And what I'm doing in my case, I'm not doing that, so it does not take often. But yeah, so it's, but I don't know how much complexity uh, the this operation takes, like adding onto a string. And so it's probably like off one only, and sometimes it might take off n because for extension purposes, because as I think string is an like character array. And so, but yeah, it gives him around 90% score, almost like about 90% score every time. And uh, I guess this is it for this session. um Bye bye.